Hello, my name's Chris. I'm a ranger with the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. If we're trying to learn lots about nature, we've got a lot of apps on our phones these days which can help us do that. There's two which I think are particularly brilliant, which I'm going to introduce to you today. As ever with apps on your phone that automatically identify things, it's a good idea to just double check the species that the phone thinks that it is, because it's not always right. But let's have a look at them. So the first app I'm going to look at is one called Seek, spelt S-E-E-K, and it basically uses your camera phone to automatically identify species in the wild, and I found it works best with flowering plants in particular. It does work with leaves as well, and it's meant to work with all taxa, but it works best on flowers because you can get nice and close to them. So let's try it on this orchid here. So yep, there we go, it's come up with early purple orchid, and that's actually right, so that's a good first run. The next app is called BirdNet, and it's aimed at birdsong, and basically it records songs that you can hear in the environment around you, and it shows that song on a thing called a sonogram, which basically represents the different frequencies of the bird song. So once you can see the bird song on your recording, you can ask the app to analyse it. I think I can hear a whitethroat, so let's give it a go. So these apps are really good, but as I said before, you do need to double check your species ID. One way of improving the species ID is to really make sure you kind of isolate your subject. So try and only record one bird that's calling, or try and have the leaf pattern on a clear background, and that really does help. And these apps are both free to download, so give it a go and see how you get on.